was this direction too, where I went from tapping on my right side and then coming up into the sprinkler from that. If you're like this, right, imagine you're going in a clockwise corkscrew. And then you come down and you tap, and then you tap. Okay, so now when you tap on the right, now turn to the left, turn, 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 and then stop and go into your sprinkler. It doesn't matter how many taps you do, but ultimately it's when you're coming from the one on the right, you turn around to the left, and then stop going into your sprinkler at whatever point you want to stop at to do the sprinkler. Okay, let's do it together again. So let's do a counterclockwise corkscrew and tap, clockwise corkscrew and tap, counterclockwise and tap. Now this time after you tap on the right, come up, turn to the left, spread the arms, come all the way around 2 times, come to the front, and then do your cap. And then bring this into a counterclockwise corkscrew, come up, do it together time, down and tap, up, down and tap, up, down and tap. And this next time after the tap, we're going to turn to the left, spread the arms, go in split time, turn around 2 times, come back to your front, and then go into your cap. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into the counterclockwise corkscrew, sync up the time, down and tap on the left, up and down and tap on the right, up and down and tap on the left, up, and now after the tap, we're going to turn to the left into the cap. So we turn 2 times around, and then cap, 2, 3, 4, and now go into the counterclockwise corkscrew, and together time, and then tap on the left, up and down and tap on the right, up and down and tap on the left, up and down and tap on the right, turn to the left, spread the arms. We're going to come into the cap after going 2 times around, so stop and cap, and then moving on, we're going to come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shifted up, plane shifted up, plane shifted up, come down on the left into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, turn right to underhand weave, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, open it up to the side, wrap it around your hand, bring it into the underhand buzzsaw, extension right, back in, extension left, back in, extension right, back in, extension left, back in, and release to the side. Let's do that again. So you're in your underhand weave, open it up to the side into circles, sync up the time, shorten it, and then come into the buzzsaw, underhand weave, and then, okay, from the underhand weave, open it up to the side, go into same time circles, wrap it around your fingers, bring it into the buzzsaw, split the time, and then extension right, bring it out and come back in. Extension left, bring it out and come back in. Extension right, bring it out and come back in. Extension left, bring it out and come back in. And release to the sides, open it up full length. We'll do that whole sequence again. So come into your underhand weave, open up your weave, wrap it around tight enough and pinch so that you're in short poi, bring it into your underhand buzzsaw and split time. And then extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, come back to underhand buzzsaw, and tap it on your back, come into overhand buzzsaw, and then extension right, come back in, extension left, come back in, extension right, come back in, extension left, come back in, and then release to the side, overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to pinwheel, plane shift the pinwheel down, sync it up and down and tap on the right, up and down and tap on the left, up and down and tap on the right, up and down and tap on the left, and now come down, tap on the right, and then we're going to turn to the left and go back into that sprinkler, returning all the way around 2 times, 1 and 2, back to your front, stop, come into your counterclockwise cap, and now we're going to go 2 positions in the anti-spin. So this next time around, turn 1 and 2, so you're facing the back, and now cap, and cap, and then 2 positions back to where we were in the anti-spin. Now coming back to your front, so you're in the same place in that cap, facing the front, now into the counterclockwise pinwheel, corkscrew, plane shifted up to the pinwheel, and Come down and overhand on the left, double stall between your legs. Sweep up over the top into overhand weave on the right. Open it up, stall your right poi between the leg. Turn left, come into overhand butterfly. Take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Both go up and down, both go up and down. Hold it behind the head for 3, 2, 1, back to the front and behind. 3, 2, 1, and front and behind. 3, 2, 1, and front. Double stall out, underhand opposite hip reel, pinwheel, hip reel, pinwheel, hip reel, pinwheel, hold it in pinwheel, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. Now stack the circles, right one's on top, left one's on bottom, and then we're gonna move across the right side, stack them the other way, so left on top, right on bottom, and move across the left side, and stack, and move across the right, and stack, and move, and waka waka, then circles, and waka waka, circles, waka waka, circles, waka waka, circles. Come back down into the underhand opposite butterfly. Butterfly, turn around 360, come all the way around, turning left, come back to the front, back into the hip reel. Then we're gonna go back into the butterfly, and we're gonna turn 360 to the right. So right out into overhand, right out, back into underhand, and back to the hip reel. And then we'll turn to the left again. So come into underhand on butterfly, left out, turn left, overhand, turn left, back to underhand, and back to the hip reel. And then come back to the butterfly, and then we're gonna turn to the right. So right out, turn, back, turn to underhand again. Back to your hip reel, bring it back up to your pinwheel, and extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, and come back into butterfly, thread the needle, and drop stall, clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right, plane shifted up into pinwheel, and we're going to turn right into the cap together time, and down and out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. Now we're going to turn left 360, come back into overhand, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, and then we're going to turn to the right 360, back into the cap. We'll do 3 and 2 and 1 left turn, shoo, and 3 and 2 and 1 and right turn, shoo, and then 2.